Is digital marketing worth it for small businesses in Finland? Any business, regardless of its size, should be taking advantage of digital marketing right now. A recent survey by Statista found that 94% of males and 92% of females in Finland had used the internet in the past 3 months. And it's 100% for people ranging from 16 to 34 years. What are these stats telling? They're screaming that your customers are online, and that's where you and your business should be if you want to scale and increase your revenues. Marketing online opens up a plethora of alternatives for small businesses of all sizes, even those with little resources. Digital marketing may be done on almost any budget and scaled as the company expands to meet its demands. Some of the reasons why digital marketing is worthwhile for small businesses in Helsinki, Finland are as follows. 1. It makes it easy for customers to find your business. When people are looking for anything, they will most likely start with a Google search. The majority of these searches are for items or services near me, which means they're seeking local companies that offer what they need. If a small business does not have an internet presence, these customers will not locate it and will most likely go to a rival instead. A Google My Business directory has all of the important information about the small business, and simply establishing the page allows the business to be found online. Consumers may find the listing and obtain the business's phone number, store hours, location, and other information. 2. It provides the online presence that customers expect. When consumers learn about a company, they will most likely hunt for further information online. They may drive by the storefront on their way to work and decide to look up the hours to see when it is convenient to stop in. Consumers nowadays expect firms to have at least a bare minimum of an online presence. They expect to see a Google My Business listing with images, business hours, a phone number and location, and other information. They also expect a website for any business, no matter how tiny, so they can ensure the firm provides what they want and learn more about the business hours before visiting. Consumers frequently interpret the lack of a website as a sign that the small business isn't reputable and isn't worth visiting. 3. You become trusted by today's consumers. Having an internet presence and a website alone helps a company look more trustworthy. Small company owners may also use digital marketing to communicate with clients online, making it simple for them to reach out to potential customers and understand what has to be done to achieve a sale. This opportunity is open to all types of small businesses. Some digital marketing tactics make it simpler to reach out to and interact with consumers on an individual level. If a potential customer asks a question about the company, a timely and thorough response increases the likelihood that the consumer will become a customer. They like the attention and are more likely to trust a company if they can obtain quick, honest responses to their inquiries. 4. You can easily look into the analytics and adapt strategy. Analytics makes a significant impact in marketing and reaching out to target customers. Traditional marketing approaches make it difficult to identify how effective they were and what they need to change to make them more effective in the future. While digital marketing offers for greater tracking of marketing initiatives, allowing small business owners to scrutinize every element and make adjustments as needed. It's simple to observe who visited the website, what they spent the most time doing, and what will increase the likelihood that the visitor would stop by the local business to make a purchase. Once the statistics have been reviewed, it is relatively simple to modify a digital marketing strategy to make it significantly more effective. 5. You can take advantage of a higher ROI. Another significant advantage is the high return on investment. Digital marketing has the highest ROI of any sort of marketing. Because digital marketing is easily scalable, even small business owners on a tight budget may get started. They will still receive a significant return on their investment, and will be able to adjust their budget as needed to keep bringing in new clients. Digital marketing is successful, allowing small company owners in Helsinki, Finland to locate and reach out to more customers than previous forms of marketing. Now, we would like to hear from you. What's holding you back from promoting your small company online? Though you may have worries about digital marketing, especially if you have a limited marketing budget. The possibilities are limitless, and marketing online will make it much easier for you to contact potential clients. Begin by looking at simpler ways to get started with digital marketing, such as having a Google My Business or social media profiles set up. And see what influence it may have on your business. The outcomes might be spectacular. Free SEO tools for you. There are free SEO tools available if you already have a website or store for your business, such as website analysis tools that analyze your website with one-to-one marketing funnel comparisons that can help you to make strategies for the future. We also have SEO gadgets, allowing you to check for plagiarism, write articles, etc. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit wolfteam.site.